All right, welcome back everyone, ready for another deep dive. Today, we're all about that glow, that radiant skin everyone's after.
Ah, yes.
But this isn't about fancy creams or serums.
Right?
We're going deeper. It's about what we eat. We're talking about food as a secret weapon for amazing skin.
Exactly.
We've got this awesome article, Glow Up From Within, 5 Foods to Eat for Youthful, Flawless Skin. And luckily, I'm not alone on this journey. I've got a total pro in skin health and nutrition here to break it all down for us.
I'm excited to dive in.
Me too. So this article starts strong right out the gate. It highlights berries, calling them antioxidant powerhouses.
They really are.
But, sometimes I need a reminder. Why are antioxidants so essential for our skin?
Okay, so picture this. Our skin, it's facing a constant barrage, right? Pollution, sun, all sorts of things. And these create these little troublemakers called free radicals.
Oh, I've heard of those. Aren't they, like, damaging?
Exactly. They're unstable molecules that basically wreak havoc on our skin cells, and that leads to, you guessed it, premature aging.
Nobody wants that.
Nobody. So that's where our heroes, the antioxidants, come in. They swoop in and neutralize those free radicals, protecting our skin from damage.
Like a shield?
Exactly. And berries, they're packed with these antioxidants, especially vitamin C. And you know what vitamin C is famous for?
Collagen. Right.
You got it. Vitamin C is key for collagen production, and collagen, my friend, is what keeps our skin firm and bouncy.
That's why everyone's obsessed with it.
For good reason. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything together.
I'm starting to see why berries are at the top of this list.
Oh, there's more. Vitamin C also helps protect our skin from sun damage.
So it's like internal sunscreen.
You could say that. It's a powerful weapon against wrinkles, sunspots, you name it.
I have to admit, since I started eating more berries, I have noticed a difference.
It's that visible.
Okay, ready for the next one? This one might surprise you. It's fatty fish.
Now, I know some people might be making a face right now.
Yeah, fish for skin. Doesn't sound like the most obvious connection.
Right. But trust me, this is fascinating. So, fatty fish, like salmon, tuna, mackerel, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids.
I heard those are good for you, but how do they help our skin?
Well, omega-3s are essential for maintaining our skin's moisture barrier. Think of it as a protective wall that keeps moisture in and all the bad stuff out.
Like a sealant.
Yes. And when that barrier is strong, our skin stays hydrated, plump, and less prone to irritation.
That makes so much sense.
Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can help calm down redness and acne.
So it's not just about hydration, it's about keeping things calm and balanced too.
Exactly. And for those who don't eat fish, there are plant-based sources of omega-3s like flax seeds and chia seeds.
Great alternatives.
Definitely.
Okay, the next one on the list had me intrigued, and I'll be honest, a little skeptical at first. It's bone broth.
I get that a lot.
Bone broth for beauty. It just sounds, I don't know, a little unexpected.
I know, right? But here's the thing. Bone broth is naturally rich in collagen.
We're back to collagen.
It's everywhere. But seriously, bone broth also contains other amino acids, and those are the building blocks of protein.
And collagen is a protein, so it's like we're giving our body the ingredients to make more collagen.
That's the idea. It's like a natural collagen supplement, potentially supporting skin elasticity and reducing those fine lines.
So sipping bone broth could actually smooth out wrinkles.
It's possible. And remember all that vitamin C we talked about earlier. It works in synergy with collagen to boost its effectiveness.
Wow, it's like a team effort.
Exactly.
Okay, moving on. The next superstar is no stranger to us. Citrus fruits.
Ah, yes.
We already know they're packed with vitamin C, but the article suggests they have extra benefits for our skin.
They do. Citrus fruits are fantastic for brightening the complexion and reducing hyperpigmentation. You know those dark spots that can pop up?
Oh yeah, those are the worst.
Vitamin C inhibits melanin production, and melanin is what gives our skin its color. So by controlling melanin, we can even out skin tone and reduce those dark spots.
So it's like a natural skin brightener. I love that. Okay, we can't wrap up this deep dive without talking about the most essential element of all.
Water.
The elixir of life.
For our skin and everything else.
It seems obvious, but why is hydration so crucial for our skin?
Think of it this way. Our skin cells are like little sponges. They need water to plump up and function properly. When we're dehydrated, our skin becomes dry, dull, and those fine lines become more prominent.
Makes sense.
Water keeps our skin looking healthy, youthful, and vibrant.
It's like giving our skin a big drink of water.
Exactly.
So it's not just about what we put on our skin, but also what we put in our bodies.
100%.
This article also mentions that we shouldn't overlook the power of a balanced diet overall.
It's crucial.
What are some other foods we should be incorporating for radiant skin?
Leafy greens are fantastic. Spinach, kale, collard greens. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and C.
I love those. What about nuts and seeds?
Great choice. They're full of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that protects against sun damage and supports healthy cell growth.
Amazing.
Anything else?
Don't forget about whole grains. They're rich in fiber, and a healthy gut is surprisingly linked to healthy skin.
It's all connected.
It is.
So we've got berries, fatty fish, bone broth, citrus fruits, water, and a balanced diet. It seems like a holistic approach is really the key.
Absolutely.
What would you say is the most important takeaway for our listeners?
Consistency. Make these skin-loving foods a regular part of your diet, and you'll see a difference.
It's about long-term habits, not quick fixes.
Exactly. And of course, we can't forget about protecting our skin from the outside with sunscreen every single day.
Absolutely essential.
No matter how healthy you eat, sunscreen is a must.
Okay, I'm feeling so inspired to revamp my grocery list and prioritize these foods. Exciting to know we have so much power to influence our skin's health through what we eat.
It's empowering, right?
Totally. Any final thoughts for our listeners as they embark on their journey to radiant skin? I'd say this. What if true beauty is less about achieving flawless skin and more about nourishing our bodies from within? Let's focus on feeling good, healthy, and vibrant, and let that inner radiance shine through.
Beautiful. So embrace those colorful fruits and veggies, stay hydrated, and get ready to glow from within. That's it for this deep dive. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.